Welcome to another lecture of Master Computer Vision in OpenCV with Python. In this lecture, we will learn how to draw a region of interest on an image in OpenCV with Python. Let's see how a user can select an ROI. ROI means region of interest in an image by drawing a bounding box over it. First of all, import required library. We need only one library, Computer Vision Library CV2. It's mean OpenCV. Okay, and the cell. Next, we read our image on which ROI is required to draw. Use IMRead function of OpenCV to read our input image. Okay, and the cell. Draw a bounding box around the ROI. Okay, it's mean draw a bounding box around our region of interest on the image. We use select ROI function of OpenCV to draw bounding box around our region of interest. Okay, and this is our input or original image. Now you can draw any area of this image, which is called region of interest. Suppose our region of interest is this area from center. Okay, we draw now we draw a rectangle around this area. Okay, okay. Press enter. Yes, this is our output of our print the coordinates of the bounding box. X means X and Y means top left corner, and W mean width, and H mean height of this bounding box. Okay. Now we print these values, run the cell. Okay. X has value 337 and Y has value 251, and width of rectangle is 481 and height of rectangle is 322. Now we destroy this window by using destroy all windows function of OpenCV. Okay, and the cell. Now this window is destroyed. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.